Hello everyone! First of all, I wanted to say thank you for watching my channel, for asking me question. I'm so happy to see it. Today I would like to show you one special balloon. This balloon is not unique, it's a double step balloon, but I'm sure not many of you saw this. It's not just a double step balloon, we're gonna use latex balloon and bubble balloon. I'm gonna use 24-inch blue latex balloon, 24-inch bubble balloon. Also, I would like to add some confetti, so I have silver and helium. First of all, I will prepare my bubble balloon. I'm gonna float in it with air. So just to open it a little bit. And I have a special tool to keep balloon wide. See? When you use this tool, it's easy to put inside confetti or something else. And I put inside my 24-inch latex balloon. I have a balloon inside. Just be careful. Hold this part of latex balloon out. Don't let it go in. Also, I would like to put inside a little bit of confetti. I have just simple foil silver confetti. We don't need much, just little bits. I'm gonna add a little bit air. You don't need a lot of confetti, just little bit. I think this is enough. Now I want to remove all air from my bubble balloon. I have to remove all air. Okay. Spread a little bit my confetti. And now I will inflate my balloon with helium. Just be careful, hold your latex balloon tight or it can easily slip inside the bubble. So we tighten latex balloons like we always tight latex balloons. So we tighten good and we push it inside the bubbles. See, like this. Now I'm gonna use my ribbon to tie the balloon. I'm gonna attach it to the weight. I got another ribbon. You can also add some sticker with the text. Do you see how shiny this balloon? It's so bright. It looks like it's made of glass. If you don't remember how look latex balloons, I'm gonna inflate one, the same balloon. I'm gonna inflate it with air. Do you see the difference? Now latex balloons look like ugly blue balloons. This one is shiny. Even without the confettis look beautiful. I didn't apply high float in my latex balloon. You don't need it because you have a bubbles around. So it helps helium stay inside. This balloon not gonna fly very long, but 2-3 days for sure. So you can do it for your clients and they will be very happy. Please let me know if you have any question, put a like if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.